And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the row over the need for a political ombudsman is deepening, with the Minister of Justice declaring that he's now learning that there's someone assigned to handle complaints arising on the campaign trail.
Just last week, Delroy Chuck said he was disappointed that the Electoral Commission of Jamaica ECJ has failed to clearly establish its role as an independent authority that deals with political misconduct.
Amoy Harriet has the latest.
In an interesting twist of events, the Justice Minister confirmed Wednesday that there is an individual operating in the capacity of political ombudsman within the Electoral Commission of Jamaica ECJ.
I understand that the Electoral Commission of Jamaica has also been undertaking the work of the political ombudsman to include receiving complaints and related matters concerning the previously held local government elections.
And with things heating up on the campaign trail,
I am now urging the ECJ to provide details surrounding the terms and engagement of the individual now functioning in the role of the previous office of political ombudsman, as well as how members of the public can contact that office with election-related matters.
Interestingly, at a political meeting last weekend, PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell said the PNP has made several reports to the ECJ about potential breaches of the Political Code of Conduct. Of note, he also sits on the ECJ Commission.
All the complaints that we have submitted, the complaints reach Southwest, St. Anne's, Southeast, St. Elizabeth, West Central, St. James, Central St. James, not even as much as an acknowledgement have we received of the complaint. It can't work.
Now, we were unsuccessful in our attempts to get a comment from ECJ Chairman Earl Jarrett. Calls to his phone went unanswered. However, sources have confirmed that there is a unit within the organization responsible for election-related complaints. It's understood that a meeting is scheduled for the coming days, after which the public, we've been told, will be informed about how the unit will operate. Now, the ECJ is currently made up of 9 commissioners. 4 are nominated members comprising of 2 members of the JLP and 2 members of the PNP. There are also 3 selected commissioners, namely Justice Zayla McCalla, Justice Patrick Brooks, and Mr. Maurice Barnes. Dr. Campbell had this concern.
How can I be the one representing the candidate to the ECJ and I am the one at the ECJ who's making the decision where the same candidate are come out? That makes sense?
In the meantime, the minister says a sum of $60 million provided in the 2024-25 budget for matters related to the role and functions of that office was not used by the ECJ.
It appears that expenses in relation to the role and function of the political ombudsman is funded from the ECJ's budget.
The country will now have to wait further to hear how the ECJ will respond. Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.
In the meantime, the opposition...